Let's be real, software AI note takers on phones or laptops come with distractions. Notifications, crashes, and background noise can easily break your focus. And note-taking isn't just about recording, it's about staying fully present without missing key details. That's where a dedicated device like the RECPOINT NOTE AI voice recorder comes in. It handles recording, transcription, and translation in one place without distractions. It's designed for students, professionals, and creators who deal with conversations and ideas daily. But the real question is, does it actually make life easier than software? Let's find out. Starting with the design, and honestly, this is one of the first things that surprised me. The RECPOINT Note is extremely slim, almost like 3 stacked credit cards, as we said. So when it's attached to your phone, you barely even feel it. Yet somehow they've managed to fit in microphones, buttons, a battery, and even a small display into this tiny form factor. On one side, there's a wave-like texture that not only gives it a unique look, but also improves grip and may help with heat management during long recordings. Flip it to the back, and you'll find the charging pins along with data transfer connectors. Inside the box, you get a special cable, a couple of manuals, and a metal ring for phones that don't support MagSafe. But the real highlight is the case. It's solidly built, uses a strong magnetic attachment, and snaps securely onto your phone. And when you're not using the recorder, the case also works as a mini wallet, letting you store cards and some cash, an actually practical extra feature. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where things get interesting. First thing you need to know, it connects to your phone via Bluetooth, which means you're not limited to just attaching it to your phone. In a meeting scenario, you can place it in the center of the table and it will still capture everyone's voice much more clearly. This is especially useful in real-life meetings where phone microphones usually struggle. And this ties directly into one of the biggest reasons people use AI note takers, not missing details. In fast conversations, interviews, or group discussions, it's very easy to miss small but important points. This device captures everything, so you don't have to rely on memory. The second big feature is transcription. It can transcribe both phone calls and in-person conversations, which is a huge advantage, especially if you're using something like an iPhone where native call recording isn't fully supported. This device fills that gap perfectly. This also connects to multi-language use cases. It supports real-time language handling, making it useful for international communication, study environments, and global business discussions where multiple languages are involved. Now, this is where the real intelligence kicks in. The AI summaries are powered by advanced large language models like GPT-5, GPT-4.1, Claude 4.1, and Gemini 3.0 Pro, working through smart AI pipelines designed for transcription, summarization, and language understanding. Each model contributes different strengths. Some handle structure, some focus on context, and others improve clarity, resulting in more accurate and natural outputs. So instead of reading long transcripts, the system automatically turns them into clear summaries with key points highlighted. It understands context, filters unnecessary noise, and focuses on what actually matters in the conversation. Moreover, for performance-related use cases, this becomes especially useful in meetings, lectures, and calls where structured outputs like decisions, action points, and speaker-based notes are automatically generated instead of raw text. Meanwhile, even transcription feels more refined, because the AI doesn't just convert speech to text, it interprets meaning, speaker flow, and context, making the output far more useful in real work or study situations. On top of that, it supports summaries, mind maps, and organized breakdowns of conversations, turning raw audio into actionable information that improves productivity and workflow efficiency. Now let's talk about the app functionality, because this is where the RECPOINT ecosystem actually comes together. The app basically acts as the control center for everything. All your recordings are automatically synced or stored in one clean dashboard, so instead of digging through random audio files, everything is organized in one place. The biggest highlight here is the AI transcription that we mentioned. So the app converts spoken words into text with solid accuracy, even in longer conversations or meetings. It also supports speaker recognition, so it can separate who said what, which is extremely useful for group discussions, interviews, or business meetings. Then comes multi-language support. As we said, it supports 150+ languages, and you can easily handle everything through the app. You can record in one language and directly get a transcription or translation in another, which makes it really powerful for international communication, online classes, or global business calls. Another strong feature is AI summaries. Instead of going through full transcripts, the app automatically breaks everything down into key points and structured notes, saving a huge amount of time when reviewing long recordings. On top of that, with its app, you can also generate mind maps, which visually organize ideas and discussions. This is especially useful for students, brainstorming sessions, or planning projects. The app also supports AI-powered analysis, where it can extract insights, highlight important moments, and even turn conversations into to-do lists or structured outputs. So after testing and everything that we've covered, here's my honest take. The RECPOINT NOTE AI voice recorder stands out because of its simplicity, portability, and practicality. It doesn't try to replace your phone, it works alongside it. The transcription is accurate, translation works well, and the AI features like summaries and mind maps actually add value instead of feeling like gimmicks. Is it perfect? Not entirely. Subscriptions and file transfers could be smoother, but overall, if you're someone who attends meetings, takes lectures, works with audio content, or simply wants to stay organized, this device can genuinely save you time and effort. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about recording audio, it's about turning conversations into something you can actually use. So yeah, that's my review of the RECPOINT NOTE AI voice recorder. Now we're curious, would you actually use something like this in your daily routine? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you found this video helpful or interesting, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this.